Hey guys, this is a video about how to wear a mask properly. So first and foremost, you must maintain hand hygiene before wearing a mask. As of the question, which one is better, soap and water or sanitizer? It's definitely soap and water, guys. But sanitizer has its own advantages, like it's portable, it's less cumbersome. But the disadvantage is it cannot clean your hands as effectively as soap and water when your hands are visibly dirty. Also, it's pretty expensive. As of the sanitizers, which one do you buy? You gotta buy the alcohol-based sanitizers which have at least 60% of alcohol content in it. Make sure you check the label before making a purchase. So how do you use it? Pour the sanitizer on one of your palms. Rub both the palms thoroughly. Make sure you cover every part of both your hands and do this for at least 20 seconds and let it dry. As of the mask, how do you hold it? Guys, you're not supposed to touch anywhere except for the ties or the elastic straps. So coming to how to wear it, first press against your nose and hook the elastic strap around one ear and then the other. And make sure the mask covers your nose, mouth and also the chin, and it must fit in your face snugly. There should be no gaps around, otherwise it would be ineffective. So that was about a mask with elastic ties. What do you do when the mask has ties like these? So the first procedure is the same, just make sure it fits your nose properly. You got to tie the upper ones first, then the lower one. Guys, this is a list of don'ts while wearing a mask. Firstly, never ever touch the front part of your mask as there can be a risk of contamination. But in case you touch it accidentally, then you can wash your hands with soap and water or a sanitizer immediately. Don't wear your mask below your nose. Don't let your mouth exposed. Do not pull it below your chin. Do not temporarily remove it in public. This will serve no purpose. Kindly do not touch your eyes, nose or mouth. And now, how do you remove the mask? So for this, make sure you're not touching any of the part of the mask except for the ties. So first, remove one part and then the other. And now do not touch it anywhere and dispose it off right into the bin, preferably a closed one. As if removing the mask with ties, you got to remove the lower one first and then the upper one. That was about the single-use mask. Considering the current situation that we are in, we the general public is recommended to use cloth masks. Though it is not as effective as the N95 and the surgical mask, something is better than nothing, right? So we all know the cloth masks are reusable, but how do you do it? So once you take off the mask from your face using the ties, make sure you wash it with soap and warm water, and then kindly make sure you dry it under sun and only then reuse it. Once the mask is disposed, it's compulsory to wash your hands. So the WHO recommended steps of washing hands are: first, you got to wet your hands. Now, pour the hand wash on one of your palms. Spread it well. Now, right palm over the left with fingers interlaced and vice versa. Palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Now the back of your fingers. Now clean your thumbs. Now the tips of the fingers with backward and forward rotation on both the palms. And now you're ready to rinse your hands. Now you got to dry your hands with a single-use towel and turn off the faucet and dispose of the towel. That was about the right way of wearing masks. Guys, the spread of COVID-19 can be prevented if wearing masks is complemented with social distancing and especially hand hygiene. So if you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe to Delson Media. Thanks for watching.